How to check gift card balance on Xbox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to check your Xbox gift card balance, which is a straightforward process. So follow along as I showcase how to easily verify the balance on your Xbox account after redeeming a gift card. To begin, sign into your Microsoft account on the Microsoft or Xbox website. Click on your name in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on My Microsoft account. And as soon as you do this, now on the left side of the screen, go to Payment Options in order to view your current balance displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see the indication of Microsoft account balance, which I have 0. And by clicking on Manage, you can access the tools related to your balance. To add a new payment method or redeem a gift card, visit microsoft.com/redeem. Enter the gift card or the product code to receive the redeemed amount directly into your account. You can always check your balance under the payment options. I trust that this guide has been helpful in checking your Xbox gift card balance. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more handy tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.